Hi, my name is Jason. I'm going to be showing you today how to fit 3 car seats across the back seat of a car or a small SUV crossover. The two I'm going to be showing you are a 2008 Camry Hybrid and a 2010 RAV4 Sport. Before I say anything else, I want to say that you want to make sure you make this as safe as possible. If you can get the anchors to work with this, that's the safest thing to do. Otherwise, you'll see as I'm doing this, if you're using the seat belt option, you only want about an inch of wiggle room from one side to the other. So really tighten these down tight so that you make sure that your kids are safe. I'll show you, I guess, first while it's in the RAV, and then I'm going to move over to the Camry. So my first tip for success is having the right car seats. There's lots of blogs you can search online that will tell you ones that are very narrow. So you don't want one with cup holders. You don't want one with extra stuff if you're going to get 3 across a seat here. So this one and the red one over there are both the same Evenflo Tribute. It's an excellent car seat. It's very lightweight. We've flown with it a lot of times. It fits on the seat of an airplane and it works really well. This one in the middle is a Costco. This is one we inherited, to be honest. I don't know exactly which Costco it is, but you can tell it's also quite narrow. I also have an infant carrier that we've also fit when our kids were smaller, 3 across the back here of the RAV. So I'm going to show you some rudimentary measures here. About 17 inches is as narrow as you're going to find in my experience with these. And then let me show you just from door to door how wide the RAV is so you can kind of compare it to your car. If I go to about where this door is going to be closing, I'm getting 57, 58-ish inches. So again, going from door to door-ish, I'm getting about 58, 59 inches. These are also a lifesaver. Really save your seats from getting beat up. I'll put a link to this one in the notes at the bottom, but just one that I got online. So that's really nice too, to keep your seats in good condition while you've got car seats and the inevitable crumbs that come along with them in your car. Tip number 2, as you're putting them in the car, put the middle one in first. Otherwise, it's going to be impossible to get your hand into those little narrow crevices between the seats in order to get them to fit. Okay, seat number 2 is in. The other advice I'll give you is you might have to kind of mix and match, decide which one's going to fit together with the other one's best. You'll run into kind of the little, not armrest, but you know, the area in between being hard to get to fit sometimes, especially if one is rear facing and one's front facing. But you also want to think about which kid is going to be able to get themselves buckled. Probably put them in the middle if possible. Okay, 3 across the back of the Toyota Camry, 3 buckled into place. So you're going to want to push these into the middle as much as you can, but you'll find that they fit just fine. Again, that's not necessarily true for every car seat or for every car, but I'll put the links in the bottom to which car seats these are, as well as to those little car seat covers. And this is the Keyfit 30. You can see there again, if you're looking for a baby carrier, this one's a good price and has a base that even with the base, I can fit 3 across here in my Camry. No problem. If you found this helpful, I hope you will consider subscribing, liking the video below, and again, any comments you have, I'd be happy to address them. Thank you.